Are you constantly involved in 100 different things, juggling between them and trying to understand what matters to you, what does not? So, imagine a place where you can just focus on what is it that is going to grow your business and give you a sense of freedom from all the obstacles. So let's dive deeper into what is deep work. Deep work is a concept popularized by Carl Newport. It's about focusing on the things that matter the most to your business and drive real progress for you. So, why should you, as a business owner, get involved in deep work? Research shows that deep work allows you to focus, sharpen your understanding, and then enhances your progress. As a business owner, it's really important that you get involved into the things that help you strategize your business, work on the long-term goals and vision of your business. Deep work is about all these thinking but then uninterrupted. Okay, so here I'm going to tell how you can get involved into deep work. What are the steps to it? So step 1. First, you need to define what deep work means for you. Like, you need to set a clear goal. You need to define, is it for strategic thinking, is it for long-term vision and mission of your company, or is it for some specific department related issues in your organization? So you need to define what exactly is the problem or is the goal that you want to achieve using deep work. Second, you need to schedule deep work blocks. Now you need to check in your calendar what are the timings which are free, what are the timings at which you are most productive. For most of the people, early mornings or late nights are the timings which are most valuable, the time when they are most alert, at the maximum level of productivity in their day. So just see what time block works for you and block that time. Thirdly, you need to get away from all the distractions. Set your phone on DND, mute it, and just block all the notifications in your system for that time period. This way, you'll be able to focus on the task that you're working on and avoiding every kind of distraction. Just tell the people that I have blocked this duration in my calendar and ask your team not to call you, not to distract you during that period. Fourth thing is, you need to train your mind to focus on deep work. Now in the beginning, it will be very difficult for you to sit for longer hours. And I'm not an advocate for that because of course you need to get up, drink some water, go around and all that. But deep work, when you get engrossed in something, you just forget everything. So that's the beauty of deep work. In the beginning, you can maybe have time blocks of 30 to 40 minutes or 50 minutes or maybe 1 hour. Slowly it will increase and slowly you will see the magic. So that's the beauty of it. Work on it and let me know how you got benefited from it. I have been using the deep work model from last 1 year. It has transformed my life. It has changed it for the good. Thank you so much. This is Prithvi. Like this video and share it. Thank you.